Hello, welcome to Greek language course for beginners and tourists. I'm Irene Karagiorgos, your Greek teacher. I studied Greek literature and have specialized in teaching of Greek as a second language or as a foreign one. Having obtained experience in teaching Greek language and history by using new technologies, I decided to create an online Greek lessons tool so that anyone who wants to learn the Greek language can achieve this comfortable, flexible and free. The aim of this course is through these video lectures to be able to speak fluently and write in Greek in basic communicative situations. So then, if you love the Greek language, history, culture, want to learn the Greek way of thinking, wish or plan to visit Greece, but you don't want to spend hours learning about grammar rules and attending boring classes, here is the solution. Greek for Beginners online course. But let's start this course. By the end of this course, you will be taught how various countries are said in Greek. You will learn how to ask someone where he or she is from, and how to say which country you are from, where do you live, and what is your nationality. Also, you will be taught to say what is your profession, what do you do, and to be able to ask for all this information. Finally, you will be taught the numbers of the Greek language, but also to give your phone number, your account in Facebook, Skype, email, and LinkedIn. You will also be taught vocabulary and grammar necessary for understanding the Greek language in this level of knowledge. But don't worry, you will learn only what you really need. I hope you enjoy this lesson. It is in Greek language with Greek subtitles for your better familiarization with the language and better future understanding. Of course, there are English subtitles to understanding what I say. I hope you enjoy this. Have a nice lesson, good start, and welcome to Greece!